Welcome to Jamaica, where vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, warm hospitality await you. Are you considering making Jamaica your new home? I agree. Our customized relocation tours are the perfect way for you to explore, connect, and start your new journey with confidence. Hi, I'm Mocha Moizelle, and I am excited to introduce you to our exclusive relocation tours here in Jamaica. Okay, I'm with Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica. We help people successfully complete their relocation process here to Jamaica, and we want to help you even more with relocation tours or scouting trips to see if Jamaica is a place for you or what you need to do to prepare yourself. Okay, um, so we help expats and we help returning residents find their perfect place in Jamaica. So I'm going to tell you why a relocation tour or scouting trip is essential for anyone looking to making Jamaica their new home. Okay, so we're going to be covering three main locations. Okay, so I'm going to start with Kingston, which is, I want to say, the hustle and the bustle of Jamaica. Okay, it's very rich in history, has a very vibrant music scene, has different sets of communities and neighborhoods, and it offers something for everyone. So our tours will give you an insider's view, okay, of the best places to live, work, and play in Kingston. Okay, so if you want to experience the energy of Kingston up close, our tours will include visits to different cultural hotspots, residential areas. To help you get a feel of what it's like to live here, but it'll also help you do what you need to do to get settled here to live here for the long term. So there'll be some fun in there, but these tours are for those who are looking to come and handle business and actually make their experience worthwhile while also getting to feel out how to get set up and situated in Jamaica. Okay. Next, we have the area we'll be focusing on is Negril. Okay, so Negril is famous for its laid back beach vibe and stunning beaches. Okay, so if you're looking for a more relaxed lifestyle, okay, Negril will probably be a very good fit for you. It might be a perfect fit. So just imagine waking up to a view every day, okay, in the grill, if you're that lucky, okay. Again, our tours will highlight the best residential areas for you, okay. You'll get to experience some of the local amenities, hidden gems, and other things that make this a popular area for people to return to or move to. Okay, and the third area that we'll be focusing on is Montego Bay. So a lot of people know Jamaica via Montego Bay, and it's known for its beautiful resorts and a very lively atmosphere, and is another fantastic option if you are looking to live in Jamaica long term. Okay, so if you're interested in some of the city life and also some of the tranquility, okay, Montego Bay is kind of like a blend of it all, okay, of both. So, Montego Bay has, different luxury living communities, and also has things for more of a comfort lifestyle. It offers a blend, okay, and our tours will help you find out what you need to know and how to make Montego Bay your ideal home, okay? And the best part is, if none of those areas are, where you want to settle in Jamaica, we offer custom tour packages tailored to your needs and your interests, okay? Whether you're drawn to Kingston, Negril, Montego Bay, you want to go up in the mountains, you want to be somewhere completely off, you don't want any of those places, okay? You thinking Ochi or St. Thomas, we'll work out something custom for you. But we like to, for people who are not familiar with living in Jamaica, we like to stay in those areas because that's probably one of where you're going to get your best sense of what it's like to get comfortable and maneuver around Jamaica. Okay, so attending or signing up for one of our relocation tours is going to be more than just a visit. We want to make sure that's understood, okay? It's your first step towards a smooth transition and a successful new chapter in Jamaica, okay? You're going to meet like minded people, you're going to gain valuable insights, and you're going to feel confident in your decision, okay? We will be hosting a webinar again to walk you through some things and help you with the process prior to you booking anything or signing up for anything. So when you join our wait list, okay, um, and you register and you let us know what area that you're interested in. When we release the tours, we'll start communicating with you and let you know, what's what. Okay, we're gonna start with a webinar or some type of group session to let you know, like, this is what's happening, this is what we're doing, this is what you can expect, this is what you need to prepare for. We'll cover all of that, okay, before you actually book a ticket. Okay, we want you to be informed before you start making those steps. Okay, so if you are interested in coming to Jamaica and experiencing Jamaica, you want to see what it's like before you make that big leap, before you sell off all your stuff, before you know, tell everybody that you leaving wherever you are. Okay, you want to experience it first and handle your business and do what you need to do while you're here. Okay, we're going to set that up for you so it's a smoother and easier process for you to get settled and situated out here. I wish something like this was available when I first came. I surely would have taken advantage of it, but I went through the experiences so I can help you now and help you get yourself situated and set up out here in Jamaica. Okay, and not to mention, we have an experienced tour guide. She's been operating, she's been in Jamaica for over 15 years and been operating a tour business for a very long time. So she is an excellent asset to this and will be a great resource for you to, again, determine which area in Jamaica is going to be best for you. Okay, so if you are ready to start your Jamaican adventure, your new life, your new chapter, whatever you want to call it, okay, join the link in our description. I'm going to post a link there, and join the wait list, okay? We want you to be familiar and know what it is first before we put out the packages, okay? Join the wait list so when they are available, you'll have first access. And you can share it and let anybody know who's interested that this is available and it's going to be a option. Okay, so again, we'll be focusing on 3 areas: Kingston, Negril, and Montego Bay. If you want something else, let us know. We'll try our best to accommodate you. Okay, so join the wait list, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos, offerings, updates, okay, all those good things. All right, contact us if you have more questions. Okay, our website will be in the description, but you can visit us, berjamaica.com. You'll find out how to contact us, how to schedule a consultation if you want one-on-one help and you want it now. You can also sign up for our webinars. You can follow us on Eventbrite so you know we'll be hosting webinars. And everything else we got going on, you can go to our website and visit us there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Join the wait list when we launch our official Relocating to Jamaica tours, scouting trips, packages, all those good things. Okay, so thank you so much. See you later. Bye.